So the big audit for Sun Pharma's Halol plant is finally over. So in a statement to the Bombay Stock Exchange, Sun Pharma has said that the US FDA has completed the audit for the Halol plant and they've received a Form 483 with 3 observations. They've said that they will submit their written response to the US FDA, what they plan to do in the next 15 days, and they will communicate that to the US. So a couple of points here. First of all is the fact that we don't know what these observations are. The positive thing that happens for Sun Pharma is that, the number of observations in the last 483 was 9. It's come down to 3. So the street will take this with a positive view. Apart from it, if you're looking at it, why is Halol important? It's the largest plant for Sun Pharma, catering to the US market outside of the US. A significant amount of drugs are awaiting approval from this plant, and 2 important products from Spark also from this plant. And as you can see, Spark also managed to rally in trade. In the overall scheme of things, it's almost 11% of the US sales and 4% of the total sales. How does this change life for Sun Pharma? Financially, it does not. Sentimentally, it's a big positive because the stock price of Sun Pharma has crashed almost to 50% from the peak, given the fact that there were issues at the Halol plant. As of now, this will not ensure that the products immediately start getting approval, but the trajectory of getting approvals will start if Sun Pharma manages to get the plant cleared. There is a high possibility that because the observations are low and if they are procedural in nature, the US FDA will have no need to re-inspect the plant again, but obviously just give an EIR and revoke the warning letter that is there on Sun Pharma. But the pricing pressure will continue on Sun Pharma, but this gives them a significant amount of visibility into the future because a lot of their products had approvals for them, but they were not getting because the US FDA was not giving any kind of approval because Halol plant was under the scanner. So as of now, given the information that we have and the details of the observation are not known, we can say that it's at least as of now in terms of the number of observation is good news for Sun Pharma.